got a 2017 BAC Mono. There's about 100 of these in the world.
It's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be real difficult.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Rami from Diamond Motorworks, and here we got a 2017 BAC Mono. There's about 100 of these in the world. We're bringing it here to Chicago Auto Pros to change it up a little bit and wrap it. We want to actually make it red, just like a nice formula gloss red, and we want to put some nice carbon fiber on the front end here too. So the car accelerates to 60 in about 2.8 seconds. It's a F1 style paddle shifter. You also got this F1 style wheel here that pops out. So as soon as you want to get out of the car, just pop it out. This thing only weighs about 1,300 pounds. So it's the lightest street legal car out there. Engine's right here. There's a bunch of exposed carbon fiber everywhere. Originally, it's from England, imported over here, mostly in California, and assembled there and built there, and we just shipped it over here, and one of the nicest, lightest, most nimble cars we've ever seen.
I think it's definitely gonna be a two-man project. Me and Albie will definitely need each other to be able to get it done. It's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be real difficult. The thing that I see that's difficult is putting a seam. We don't really want to put a seam except for maybe at the front, so what we're probably gonna have to do is split the vinyl down the middle and then kind of stretch it around the entire thing to try and make it look like it's one piece.
You think working with cars every day, like you know most of them, right? Nope, never heard of this one. BAC Mono, this is cool. This is in here for just vinyl wrap. We're not gonna be doing a whole lot to it. We're gonna be doing some vinyl wrap on the top sections here and do some carbon fiber parts. But first, we gotta clean this thing up. There's some bugs on it. We wanna make sure that we have a clean install when we're installing the vinyl. So we're gonna wash this thing. We're not gonna go full out. Obviously, we have an open cockpit here. We don't wanna get any water in there. So I'll pressure wash the wheels and everything. But for the rest of the car, I'm probably just gonna do an O&R wash. All right, I think we can push it back. Hey, Adrian, will you help me? We're gonna push her back into the room.
The BAC got prepped this morning. I told Albie, our vinyl installer, not to come in while we wait for vinyl. And then we'll get going in the red. And at the same time, I'll have them design and print the logos that are going on the vehicle, and that's it. Easy peasy, right?
Hey, what's up? I'm Ryan. I'm Albie. We're here to color change this BAC Mono. It's white, we make it red. That's it. First step is getting everything cleaned up. Even though it was already prepped and clayed, we just want to make sure any grease that's on it is completely gone, because that can ruin the adhesive of the vinyl. So we're just going over everything with alcohol, all the edges, anything that the vinyl's going to touch.
Taking out the mirror, it's pretty hard to go in. It's so tight, but we got it.
It's so tight.
Hey, I don't want to talk anymore. Alright guys, the car is already prepped, so we took off some parts like mirrors and the side vents. So now we are ready to lay down some film. We are using knifeless tape to get the perfect cut lines. What knifeless tape is, it's just a tape you put under the film, and when you pull it off, it gives you a crispy, clean cut.
Look at us, working on a BAC Mono. I'm just doing test pieces before we lay the big panel on like areas that would be kind of concerning or we might mess up on, just to get some practice in before, you know, we waste a big panel. There's a whole lot that goes underneath that I just don't know if we're gonna be able to wrap. I'd like to, but like, we don't want any white showing. If it's going red, the more white that shows, the worse it looks, you know? We were just trying to figure out how we can cut these corners and how that's gonna go. Figured out that headlight definitely needs to come out to get a good clean cut on that one. So pretty much the only corners we need to do inlays or additional stuff to are these ones and the back one. Then it should be ready to put on. Hey, looks pretty good. How hard is that?
It's not that hard, but it's like, everything is custom, you know?
Yeah. Like the bolts that hold in like that back piece, it's like half an inch off on each side, so like I can't even take it out because it's like slightly behind the white one.
It's the same in the front.
You like that inlay cut?
Damn, cut. It's fucking sick.
I think we can do it without an inlay there.
I want to match this one, like connect this one, bring it through here.
It's gonna look weird though if we do another piece there. I think we'll be good without it.
All right, cool.
Oh, hey boy. 160.
160. Yeah, I'll go a little more.
Just go straight 160.
Yikes!
Right?
That's probably like 159.
go for it. We're not gonna peel it all the way. Probably stop, like right where the cockpit is, and then we'll work one side at a time.
Why we are not like taking this one out and work to that side and come over?
We have to stretch both at the same time. Because if we stretch one way, then we're not gonna have the same stretch that way, and it's gonna get fucked up.
But you tuck it in here, so you can stretch how much you need over there, because you are in the middle, you know? That's what I'm saying. Or you wanna, oh yeah. If you do one stretch,
You do one stretch, right?
I got it now.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No worries, no worries. As long as we're on the same page. Yeah, I guess we'll just do this whole side right now. Hold it up there, I'll be pushing or pulling here. That was stressful. Now we gotta do it again. One more side. Now we got more of a game plan though. So it should go smoother.
Now I know how to go it.
Yeah.
Because that one, that I leave glue line, I go like this. I didn't tuck it in anymore.
Go right, you gotta power through it. And then because what you're doing with that first stroke is you're taking that tension out. So once you take that tension out, it's not gonna glue line because everything else is a lot more relaxed.
Right.
That's kind of the logic you have to follow. It's only 250. I think we should redo it. It's gonna go better either way.
Be better? Think so?
Yeah. I'd say sweep surrounding area and then make sure all that's dirt free. I mean, I was kind of expecting it to be more than one try. It's not easy.
What happened? Dirt and glue lines. Right here.
So I was kind of expecting it to not go too well the first time because this is the first time I've ever done a BAC Mono. Also the first time I've ever seen one. So we definitely got extra film to make sure that we had enough for at least 2 tries or more. And as I thought the first try was a little too dirty, a little too glue liney, then we kind of figured out what we were doing with the first try and rocked it out with the second try. So now we're just finishing it up, cleaning it up, and making sure all those edges go down well. So me and Albie are gonna stay late, finish up cutting everything, get a post heat on. He's gonna put the headlights back in. And then tomorrow I'm gonna come, get the logos all cut up and put on. And then we should be done. And then E-Man just still has to put the carbon fiber on.
So Ryan and Albie finished up their vinyl work on the BAC. So now I'm gonna step in and the customer requested STEK carbon fiber on the hood and around the cockpit. It's gonna add really good detail and it's gonna match the rest of the carbon fiber that's already on the car. Let's get started. 50 by 22. Oh, Ryan. you help me? Sure. Thanks. You're the best. Comes out. I'm gonna let this dry on its own, and then I'm gonna do the side pieces.
Am I showing you the vectors now?
I guess so, yeah. Show me some vectors.
So here's how we want to do. The mono, we want to put on the side here. This is not a vector. So this is the only one we need to get in a vector. I want to do this on both sides.
Okay.
So we're going to put the BAC on the front nose. You can find some photos of it on the front nose.
Okay.
The monos go on either side, like in the other photo. And then we were talking about, he sent me their vector for their company logo.
Okay.
And we'll do it somewhere kind of low, and our logo.
So final step for me, we're putting the logos together, putting them on. We got them all pre-masked, got them all cut out. We're gonna put a BAC up front, the mono next to the mirrors, a little bit behind it, and then the customer requested their logo, so we're gonna put it a little bit lower, not on the vinyl, but on the carbon, and gonna stick our logo as well, just under that. All right, just finished up with the BAC Mono. Pretty excited to be done with it. Kind of the craziest color change that I've ever done, considering it's wider than the vinyl actually comes in the 60 roll. So bit of a stretch, bit of figuring things out, but it's all done and it was a fun challenge.